Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of the video. Here's the same setup, same microcontroller which we used in the previous video with the two LEDs attached. The new addition here is this L35 temperature sensor which we are going to read using the voice command. Hey Mycroft, what is the room temperature?
Room temperature is 37 degrees, sir.
37 degrees, quite high. So here what we are going to do, I have an ice pack here with 2-3 ice cubes in a plastic bag. So I'm going to put my fingers around it, around the temperature sensor. Hopefully it will bring down the temperature and we'll get the same reading here. Hey Mycroft, what is the temperature, room temperature?
It is 31 degrees, Jack.
31 degrees, see? The temperature has fallen 6 degrees. Now I have removed my fingers, so slowly the temperature will climb again and we should be able to query that. Hey Mycroft, what is the room temperature?
It is 35 degrees, my dear friend.
35, see, it is climbing up. Hey Mycroft, what is the room temperature now?
The temperature of this room is 36 degrees, my dear.
So it has reached 36 degrees again. So that's all for this video. Now in the finals, part 3 of the video, I'm going to show you everything which is making all these stuff happen. So bye.